Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Beday is probably one of the most innovative bathroom upgrades you can make, offering a refreshing and hygienic alternative to traditional toilet paper. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Beday, exploring its features, benefits, and why it's quickly becoming a must-have for modern bathrooms. Get ready to discover how this simple addition can revolutionize your daily routine and elevate your personal hygiene experience. Number 5. LUXE Bidet NEO 120 Non-Electric Bidet Attachment. Looking for a sleek and high-quality bidet? This attachment will give your bathroom a next-level look. It's constructed with high-pressure valves and steel hoses for durability. This bidet features a guard gate to shield the nozzles, ensuring a sanitary experience. The nozzles automatically retract after each use, keeping them protected. Upgrading your home with a luxurious element is simple. It includes all the parts and tools you need for a quick setup. It easily attaches to any standard two-piece toilet. Save money and be kind to the environment by using this bidet. Cleaning with it is gentle on your skin and helps conserve resources. You're always covered with our world-class customer care. If you have any problems or concerns, we're just a call away. Register the bidet online for an extended warranty. What we like? This bidet attachment boasts high-quality parts and a sleek design, elevating your bathroom's look. It's incredibly easy to install, saving you time and hassle. If you're looking to upgrade your bathroom experience while saving money on toilet paper, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. LUXE bidets are very well made, and you can tell that quality and durability were priorities in their design. Installation was straightforward, and it works smoothly every time. The cleansing experience is refreshing and much more hygienic than using toilet paper alone. Number 4. LUXE Bidet NEO 120 Non-Electric Bidet. Introducing the LUXE Bidet NEO 120. This sleek attachment instantly elevates your bathroom. It's designed with high-quality parts for a premium feel. The bidet features a self-cleaning nozzle and a guard gate for ultimate sanitation. The nozzle retracts after each use, ensuring it stays clean and protected. Installing this bidet is incredibly simple. It comes with all the necessary parts and tools, attaching easily to any standard two-piece toilet. You'll be enjoying it in minutes. This bidet helps you save money on toilet paper. It's gentle on your skin and a sustainable choice for the environment. We stand behind our product with an 18-month warranty. Our customer care team is ready to assist you with any questions or concerns. Register online for an extended warranty. What we like? This bidet attachment offers a luxurious upgrade with high-quality components and a sleek design. It's designed for easy installation, so you can start enjoying its benefits quickly. If you value a clean and sustainable bathroom experience and want to save money, it's a great option. What people say. LUXE bidets are very well made, and you can tell that quality and durability were priorities in their design. Installation was straightforward, and it works smoothly every time. The cleansing experience is refreshing and much more hygienic than using toilet paper alone. Number 3. LUXE Bidet NEO 185 Dual Nozzle Bidet. This bidet offers dual wash modes for both rear and feminine cleansing. The rear wash provides a stronger flow, while the feminine wash offers a gentler experience, perfect for monthly cycles and new mothers. The guard gate ensures ultimate hygiene by shielding the nozzles. After each use, the nozzles retract, guaranteeing protection until the next use. With its sleek design and high-quality components, this bidet elevates your bathroom's look. It's built with high-pressure valves and steel hoses for durability. Upgrading your home is simple with this bidet. It includes all necessary parts and tools for quick installation. It easily attaches to any standard two-piece toilet. Customer satisfaction is a priority, with a dedicated team ready to assist. Register the bidet online for an extended warranty and peace of mind. What we like? This bidet features dual wash modes for both rear and feminine cleaning. It's easy to install and provides hygienic protection with its self-cleaning nozzles. If you're looking for a bidet that offers both front and rear cleaning options, especially beneficial for women, this is the one. What people say. The quality is great. The function is amazing and the design allows it to stay clean. It was very easy to install, 15 minutes max. Number 2. Arofa Handheld Bidet Sprayer for Toilet. This handheld bidet sprayer is designed for superior bottom cleaning. Its ergonomic design makes it easy to use, offering a more hygienic and efficient alternative to toilet paper. This jet sprayer isn't just for cloth diapers, it's versatile. You can use it as a pet shower, a flower sprayer, or a toilet sprayer, especially helpful for those with mobility issues or elderly adults. It's a great cleaning solution for the whole family. Installation is simple, fitting most toilets with either an onto or wall-mounted setup. No plumber is needed, it comes with clear instructions. If you have any questions, we're here to help. Easily adjust the lever to control the water pressure, from a gentle spray to a powerful jet. Use the gentle mode for feminine hygiene, baby baths, or pet washing. The jet spray is perfect for rinsing floors or cloth diapers. It features a superior brushed finish that's rust-proof and anti-corrosion, making it easy to maintain. The kit includes a 304 stainless steel bidet head and hose, along with a brass valve, ensuring durability. All components are made with top-quality materials to ensure your health and safety. What we like? This handheld bidet offers a convenient and hygienic cleaning solution. It features adjustable water pressure and is easy to install yourself. If you need a versatile cleaning tool for various needs, from personal hygiene to pet care, it's a great choice. What people say? The stainless steel feels really solid and high quality, and the water pressure is strong enough for cleaning without being overwhelming. It works like a dream, once you get used to it. It is dual control. You can lift the knob and get a constant flow. Or keep pushing it down every time you need the water flow. Number 1. SAMODRA Bidet Attachment, Dual Nozzles, Easy Install. Introducing the SAMODRA Bidet Attachment. This innovative product offers a cleaner and more comfortable experience. It's a simple upgrade for a healthier lifestyle. This bidet attachment is built to last. It features durable ABS material, a user-friendly control panel, and high-quality valves. The braided steel hose ensures long-lasting performance. The bidet has dual nozzles for both front and rear cleaning. The button design makes it easy to switch between modes. It provides a thorough and refreshing clean. The self-cleaning feature ensures maximum hygiene. The nozzles retract behind a guard for protection and easy maintenance. It gives you a double sanitary guarantee. Adjust the water pressure to your liking with the control knob. It's easy to use for everyone, including the elderly and children. Enjoy a comfortable and healthy experience. Installation is quick and easy, compatible with most toilets. You can install it in minutes without any tools. Say goodbye to toilet paper and hello to a cleaner life. What we like? This bidet attachment features dual nozzles for both front and rear cleaning, ensuring a thorough clean. The self-cleaning function and adjustable pressure provide a comfortable and hygienic experience. If you prioritize a clean and customizable experience, this bidet is designed for you. What people say? It's easy to install, and everything works as it should. The white plastic is easy to clean. The installation was incredibly simple. I installed the previous bidet and this one, so I had experience working with the toilet, but if you don't know what you're doing, a quick YouTube video will help exceptionally. There are 4 different areas you can click on the keypad. One is to clean the nozzle, just spills out water straight down. One is for the feminine area, third is for the bottom region, and the fourth is to halt the water. There is also a nozzle in which you can turn in 2 directions. The more you turn it, the higher the water pressure will be, which the highest being directly on the bottom. This is amazing as I get to control how much pressure I need to self-clean, without feeling like I am being torn apart. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.